Meta, the company formerly known as Facebook, launched its long-awaited new virtual reality headset on Tuesday during MetaConnect, its annual developer conference. The new headset, called Quest Pro, is a high-end device designed to have features that rival a computer. In his keynote speech on Tuesday, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg called the new device the next big thing in virtual reality, and an important milestone on the road to building the metaverse. What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about Meta Quest Pro and how it will change the VR industry. Zuckerberg is betting that AR/VR devices will someday be as ubiquitous as cell phones or laptops, and Quest Pro is an important way for the company to demonstrate the promise of that vision. Quest Pro is Meta's first mixed reality device, which means you can see virtual objects superimposed on your everyday real-life environment, as opposed to pure virtual reality where you are completely detached from reality. The physical headphones are designed to fit more comfortably on your head and feature inward-facing eye-tracking sensors, so your avatars in the metaverse can naturally mimic your facial expressions. These are definitive enhancements to Meta's existing VR/AR products, but there's one major obstacle that could prevent Quest Pro from fulfilling Zuckerberg's ambitions of making his metaverse plan mainstream: the price. The Quest Pro costs nearly $1,500. This is an inaccessible price for many everyday consumers, particularly during an economic downturn. This is a 275% increase over its latest AR/VR version, Quest 2. That's why Meta is selling its new AR/VR device as a business product to people like architects, product designers, and molecular chemists who might be willing to pay for a high-powered tool. Many of these professionals use 3D modeling in their daily work, which could justify the cost of the headset. This is also why Meta has announced partnerships with Adobe to put its 3D design software into VR, as well as with Microsoft to put its full suite of Office products into Quest Pro. At the Meta's Connect presentation on Tuesday, the company gave some examples of how some companies are already using its AR/VR products, such as footwear companies Puma and New Balance designing VR products, and pharmaceutical company Novartis designing nanomolecules with technology. But if Meta offers its branded metaverse as a high-end product for niche professionals, where are all the others going? If the metaverse is going to be the next wave of modern cell phone-like or internet-like computers, as Zuckerberg predicts, then it needs a critical mass of users, not just a small group of professional users who use it for a specific industry. To Meta's credit, building AR/VR is expensive, and Meta has produced some of the most affordable AR/VR headsets on the market to date. Zuckerberg recently told The Verge that the company's strategy isn't to make money on its AR/VR hardware, and many speculated it was selling its other AR/VR product, Quest 2, for a $399 loss. Before August, it was $299, which made it several $100s cheaper than some of its main competitors. But the Quest Pro, like many emerging technologies, faces other barriers, such as the fact that it can only be used for about an hour or two on a full charge, making it difficult to use outside the home or office, where there is a charging station burden. And the fact that his avatars still don't have all the compelling qualities of normal human life, like legs, Zuckerberg promised him at some point in the near future. But the biggest challenge for Meta will be its accessibility. The personal computer, the internet, and the mobile phone have revolutionized society, but these devices have begun to drastically reshape the way we communicate once they have become accessible and affordable enough to go mainstream. Meta indicated on Tuesday that it is serious about improving the quality of the technology it offers in VR/AR, even though it has a long way to go. But it faces an even more pressing challenge. We are not yet at the point where the products closest to realizing the vision of the metaverse have a justifiable price for the everyday user. Here is how it will impact the VR industry. Next generation optics. Virtual reality is all about graphics, and Meta Quest Pro has several major improvements over Meta Quest 2. The brand new optical stack in Meta Quest Pro replaces Fresnel lenses in Meta Quest 2 with thin optics that bend light multiple times, reducing the depth of the optical module by 40%, providing clear and sharp images. Both LCD screens use local dimming and quantum dot technology to deliver richer, more vivid colors. Our custom local dimming technology, powered by specialized backlight hardware and complementary software algorithms, can control over 500 individual LED blocks independently, giving displays 75% more contrast. Meta Quest Pro also has 37% more pixels per inch and 10% more pixels per degree than Meta Quest 2, making everything from reading text to gaming better. Additionally, there is a 25% improvement in all-out visual sharpness in the central view, a 50% improvement in the peripheral region, and a 1.3 times greater color gamut than in Meta Quest 2. Full-color mixed reality. Meta Quest Pro has an all-new sensor architecture with high-resolution outward-facing cameras that capture 4 times more pixels than Meta Quest 2's external cameras, unlocking a full-color and high-definition mixed reality experience. In Meta Quest 2, pass-through allows you to see the world outside your device in black and white, but with Meta Quest Pro, you can see your physical environment in color. This helps developers build stronger mixed reality experiences using our Presence Platform toolset. Meta Quest Pro features stereoscopic mixed reality pass-through, which combines multiple sensor views to create a natural 3D view of the world. Compared to monoscopic pass-through solutions, this results in a higher quality, more comfortable experience with improved depth perception and less visual distortion for both close-up and room-scale mixed reality scenarios. A sleek new design. Thanks to the pancake lenses and curved cell battery found on the back of the headset, Meta Quest Pro is the thinnest and most balanced VR headset we've ever made. It's great when you're wearing it, allowing you to easily focus on the next level VR experiences instead of adjusting your headset. Meta Quest Pro features a stepless lens gap adjustment mechanism, which supports interpupillary distances between 55mm and 75mm, a wider range than Meta Quest 2, which supports IPDs between 58 and 72mm. The headset also allows you to adjust the distance of the lens from your eyes with a new eye relief dial to optimize fit, face detection, and viewing experience. This allows a more diverse range of people to tune the headphones to their liking. Meta Quest Pro is designed with an open periphery, which allows you to use your peripheral vision to be present to your surroundings as you multitask between the real and virtual world. If you want to be more immersed while using Meta Quest Pro, you can attach the partial light magnetic blocks included in the package. For a more traditional VR experience, you also have the option to purchase complete light blocking accessories when they launch later this year. Self-tracking controllers. You may have noticed that the Meta Quest Pro controllers look a little different than the ones that come with Meta Quest 2. These are our new Meta Quest Touch Pro controllers. They come with an important new feature. 3 sensors built into each controller track your position in 3D space independently of the headset, giving you a full 360-degree range of motion. This ensures stable tracking across all of your VR apps. The controllers have been redesigned to be more ergonomic and balanced, making them feel like natural extensions of your hands. They also feature advanced touch sensors that use our new True Touch haptics system to provide a wider and more accurate range of feedback, as well as rechargeable batteries. With the 45-watt charging cradle and USB-C power adapter included with your Meta Quest Pro purchase, you can keep your headphones and controllers charged and ready for use. But you don't need to own a Meta Quest Pro to take advantage of these cool new controllers, because Touch Pro controllers can also be used with Meta Quest 2. You can purchase a standalone pair for $299.99 starting this year. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out!